This will help to grip the top coat. It's so much better. It just, you know, eliminating a lot of like oil or whatever that it will still left on the surface before I put the top coat on. So I'm gonna do a top coat in my rest. Hold that right there. Good. We top coat it. And now, especially when you're doing acrylic, also doing with the gel polish as well. So before you are going to cure, I am gonna using a piece of paper towel and then just wipe it off on the edges. It doesn't have anything, but just in case it have any extra of the top coat, it can catch it right away before you cure. Okay.